Good morning, students. We will continue with the chapter heat. Correct? Now, we have seen that is nothing but your anomalous behavior of water. That is nothing but water remains ice about the surface at 0 degrees Celsius and it goes to water around 4 degrees Celsius. Correct? At the center part, it remains at 4 degrees Celsius. That part we have seen in the previous chapter. Now, let us see this using a Hobbes apparatus experiment. So, it is a apparatus shown here where the cubes or ice are put in a freezing mixture as shown in the figure, page number textbook 65. Two thermometers are recorded, whereas thermometer 1, that is at the ice level, the temperature will be marked as a 0 degrees Celsius, where the temperature second one will mark us as 4 degrees Celsius and droplet of water will be put down. So that is nothing but it is a freezing mixture which is put in the apparatus. So it will show rapidly at the above level, that is at a 0 degree, and below it will be a 4 degrees Celsius. As shown in the graph, that is textbook page number 65. So that is nothing but as there is a temperature versus specific volume of water. As the temperature increases at the 4 degrees Celsius and remaining it is at the what you can say 0 degree to around 10 degree. The specific volume of water, that is nothing but gradually increases and decreases accordingly. So that is nothing but it remains water at that level. Is it clear? So that is one of the important part in the point of view of concern. So read textbook page number 65. Now next concept we have, that is dew point and humidity. As we all know, before going to the dew point and humidity, as we know that water is present in the air, correct? So that is nothing but atmosphere in the daily weather keeps the water in it, correct? Suppose now there is a saturated and unsaturated air. Let me clear you that concept. Saturated means which is not clean, and unsaturated means which does not get mixed up. So that is nothing but unsaturated air is taken at a temperature. The temperature decreases. The temperature is reached at the air become saturated with the vapors. So that is nothing but saturated. It gets mixed with the vapors, and unsaturated means it doesn't get mixed with the vapor. The saturated which gets mixed with the air is said to be your dew point. Is said to be your dew point, and humidity is defined as the water level which we come to phase. Now as shown over here, at 40 degrees Celsius the air weight is around 49 degrees Celsius, whereas at 20 degrees Celsius the weight is about 14.7 degree gram. So that is nothing but that is saturated and unsaturated. Now relative humidity. Now humidity is nothing but content of water vapor in the air is defined as your humidity. So percentage is nothing but, as we know, percentage is always multiplied by 100. So relative humidity, actual mass of the water vapor content in the air upon mass of water that is in the air content. So it is nothing but actual mass upon this one. So if there is a dew point in the relative, it is around 100 degrees Celsius, 100%. So that is nothing but 60% is less the humidities, and that all things we face during it. Now whenever the flights and all things fly, the sky should be clear to disappear all the things. This all point is given onto the page number 66 and 67. Read thoroughly Hobbes apparatus, dew point and humidity. Page number 65, 66 and 67. Next point, unit of heat and all. That will cover in your next session. Thank you.